to my channel, A Life in High Definition. How are you all doing? We are here to do an unboxing. Postman just dropped this off and I thought, well, I'm ready. Okay, you've seen this outfit, you've seen this face already, but why not give you another outing of it? So here I am with Birchbox's unboxing for this month. It was a bit late, isn't it? Because it's like, what, the 13th today? The evening of the 13th and it's just turned up? Don't know what's going on with that. But this is Let Love Grow and it's in collaboration with Not on the High Street, which is quite interesting. I think that Birchbox have definitely won the award for most interesting, innovative Valentine's box. We've got flowers, but is it a romance flower? Is it just a general flower? It doesn't matter. It's a flower for everyone. I think that's nice. I like the box a lot. They do some great collectible boxes, don't they, Birchbox? It's a navy blue box with flowers all the way around. I can recognise posies, carnations. Maybe someone down below can name all of the flowers on this box. That would be amazing. And then the drawer itself is pink. Let's pull it out. Oh, but before I pull the drawer out, you know what I'd love you to do? Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you enjoyed this video. Just take a moment to sign in and then you can subscribe to my channel. Never miss an upload by ringing that notification bell. And of course, when you're done, share away. Everyone needs to let love grow. All right, let's get into the video. So take out this first. And what do we see? Ooh, a box of goodies waiting for me. That wasn't good singing or rhyming. I do apologise. Okay, we have a March sneak peek. Are you ready? Turn away. Turn the sound down if you don't want to hear. It says, pick your generation clay mask. Love a mask. Brightening violet or detoxifying charcoal. Ooh, there we are. Get ready for next month. And if you want to grab yourself a little discount off of a Birchbox, is it £3 or £5? Might be £5. Then follow this link, help me out. I'll get a freebie in my box and you will get a discount on your box. Sounds good, huh? Whatever you do, do not pay full price. As I say, this month for Birchbox was a pretty great month actually. If you cancelled and reordered, as a new customer, you had 3 options. One, what I did was to get the box for £5 or £6 discount. I can't remember now. I think it was £5 off, which is what I chose. 2, you could have had a £23 eyeshadow palette. There was 2 other things, 2 other kind of things like some other makeup products or something, or a brush that you could have ordered. So it really is better to cancel and reorder because then you can get these additional things. Definitely cancel and reorder, but of course I'd rather use my referral code. But you know, do what makes you happy. Right, let's see what Birchbox say. Hello Birchboxers, how do you take love and make it even lovelier? You let it grow. This February we've partnered with Not on the High Street, the home of thoughtful gifts and expensive gifts, to celebrate love in all its forms, because whoever said your heart could only be shared with one other? It's time to show your family, friends and significant other just how much you care and let love grow. So here's a whole box of beauty treats to get you started feeling the love. Also, well done Birchbox, because they've said your significant other. I've noticed a few of the other boxes have said with your man or suggested that only girls will be getting these boxes. I think in this day and age it's better for boxes to be more gender neutral and just say your other half, your partner, your beloved. I don't know if anyone else has thought that or I'm just getting too involved. Not that it affects me, but you know, it just occurs to me. Let's go first with this. More Anatomicals products for me this month. I love Anatomicals stuff. I love what they say. It says no one gets flirty with the dirty. Pick me up body cleanser. So body cleanser to get you fresh for your date or your not date. This is a paraben-free formula. And it says, is it a tube? Is it a bottle? Is it a tin can? No, it's Recycle Man. And if you don't recycle all our packaging, he'll track you down and recycle you. So I guess this is recyclable. All right, let's have a sniff. Can you see that? It's like orange coloured. Doesn't smell much. Don't really get a scent. Every so often, we all need a little pick-me-up, right? Next time you do, ease into your morning with this invigorating body wash. Its subtle floral fragrance, definitely subtle, will wake up your senses, leaving you ready to face the day. And this is a Birchbox exclusive and full size. Can that really be full size? Is it full size like travel version? 100ml. I suppose it could be full size. Seems a bit on the small side. Maybe it's a travel version. Like that. Always like a new shower gel. My husband goes through them so fast. The better they are, the quicker he goes through them. So it's nice to have a new one to try. Right. What is this? Coco and Eve Like a Virgin Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. Ooh. I like the packaging. So it is a small tube about the length of my palm. The majority of the tube is pink, but the bottom is what, kind of a foresty green colour. The cap, so you flick it open and squeeze the tube and out comes some hair mask, I guess. Let's have a sniff. Oh no, it's foiled. Oh, should I open the foil? Yeah, why not? What's it say on the back? A deep conditioning treatment to improve the health of your hair, restores damaged hair, improves shine and texture, hydrates and tames frizz. The words I love to hear. Shampoo and then put through hair for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse. It's gluten-free, cruelty-free, 100% vegan, sulfate-free, paraben-free and phthalate-free. Phthalate-free, which is great. So that's pretty cool. So this is full size? Is it a one-off mask? Full size? Maybe you can get a few uses out of this, I don't really know. It's quite a thick cream. Oh, it smells of the coconut. It does say it's coconut and fig, so you think coconut would be normal. Yeah, it smells nice. Yeah, I'll give that a try. This hair mask repairs damage, improves texture and shine, deeply hydrates, fights frizz and seals split ends. Phew! Its decadent formula also detangles the most knotted strands for instant smoothness. That I like to hear as well, because when I wash my hair, not only does tons fall out, but it gets very knotty. So thank you. Right, let's go for this next. Always love to receive a new brush. This is from Luxie, second brush from Luxie this month. Guess they're doing the rounds. Let's get it out. It's a Tapered Blending Dreamcatcher, number 205, and full size as well. Dreamcatcher? What does that mean? That is a very nice tapered blending brush actually. It's got a bigger head than most of my brushes have got, which are like this for blending. So yeah, that'll be a very nice addition to my collection. I don't really want to get product on it, but I want to tap it on my face. Do you ever get this with a new brush? You just get the urge, you have to paint yourself with it even though there's nothing on it and you're not doing anything. Or is it just me? Just me? Alright. This fluffy blending brush is the ideal companion to powder and cream eyeshadows alike. Use it across the lid, in the crease or at the corners to perfect your eye look. Its soft synthetic bristles, vegan, cruelty-free and hypoallergenic, give a flawless finish with minimal effort. A must-have in any makeup kit. Can't go wrong with a brush. Love getting brushes. Right. What's next? This little cute bottle. I don't know what it is. John Masters Organics Geranium and Grapefruit Body Milk. Oh. It's a moisturiser. Rapidly restore moisture and softness to even the driest of winter skin with this skin pampering lotion. Essential oils of geranium and grapefruit refresh and tone, while coconut oil deeply conditions. Even better, it might be hard working, but the lightweight texture absorbs quickly for an instant hydration boost. Why am I not excited? Because it's too small. This is too small for a body moisturiser. Hand moisturiser, just about, but body, no. So this is like a little plastic bottle that is smaller than my middle finger in height with a black cap. I'm going to open it up. I mean, who is going to use that nozzle when they're trying to moisturise their whole body? Seriously. Just white cream. It does absorb very easily and spread well, that is true. It's got a weird smell. Can't work out if I like that or not. I mean, it doesn't smell like wee or anything, not like the other day, but what's it got in it? Chamomile, lavender, white tea. I will use this, but it's more likely to be either used in one go or used as a hand moisturiser. What would have been better actually if this was in a sachet or something squeezable, because trying to get all of this out of a hard plastic bottle is going to be really difficult. You're going to be banging and banging. There is going to be residue left and it's going to be annoying. There are better ways if it's going to be this size better ways to package it so that we can really use all the product. That's what I have to say about that. When it comes full size, it comes here with a pump, you see? So it sucks up the product. Anyway, I'm sure they'll learn. Right, our last item is from Love, was it Love of Colour? Is that what it stands for? Lock? I can't remember. Lock, this is Birchbox's own brand and it's a liquid shimmer shadow. This is full size. It says this liquid shimmer eyeshadow provides a subtle hint of colour and shine that can be layered for a bolder look. The water-based formula feels lightweight and comfortable on your lids while providing long-lasting wear. Just swipe it onto your eyelids and blend in. It sets after 30 seconds, so there's no risk of creasing. And you'd either get Eclipse or Moonlight, depending. I think this is what we've got to choose from, and I've got Moonlight. So let's open it up, and it comes on the applicator like this. So it's kind of a purpley pinky silvery tone, and you can see the shine. It says subtle. That is not subtle. That is alive, but maybe they mean once it's dry. You just give it a little rub and you can see it blends out, and you've still got the shine, but it's not quite as intense. You still get that metallic foil kind of effect, and that is Birchbox done. There is a card at the bottom that says 15% off, find something special for you, then spread the love, and 15% off for someone else. So you can give it to your friend, your mum, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your non-friend, if you're trying to make friends. Valid notonthehighstreet.com. Offer ends 31st of March. So yeah, you guys can use that code if you want. At Not on the High Street, you'll find unique, heartfelt and never before seen treasures, all from UK's best small creative businesses. So if you're looking to surprise the one you love, treat a friend to something special, or make your favourite little ones grin from ear to ear, prepare to be inspired. And remember, every time you shop at our curated marketplace, you support small. Oh, you support small. That's the end of it. So from us and the 5,000 creative UK businesses we partner with, a great big thank you. There are some really cool things at Not on the High Street. Some of the stuff is so pricey, but you can find neat stuff. And then we've got some postcards. This is nice. It says, you make me smile because, and then it's like postcard on the back. There's one. And this is created with love by Not on the High Street's partner, Miss Bespoke Paper Cuts. And I'm guessing she designed the box as well. So well done you. These are really nice. And you've got some decoration like this on here as well. Then we have another one that says, you are lovely because. Made by the same person, Miss Bespoke Paper Cuts. And the last one says, you're my favourite because. These are beautiful. You might find one of these in a giveaway if you are the winner, because that's what I use this kind of thing for. So that's really cute. I like that a lot. That's a little bonus. Good. Good for them. I will be doing another giveaway when I hit 550 subscribers. So if you're not subscribed now, get subscribed, because the only way you can win is by being subscribed. I have a big box of things waiting for someone out there. That's all I can say. Thank you so much for watching this Birchbox. Oh, no, I haven't added it up, have I? I haven't done anything. I haven't done my normal stuff. What's wrong with me? This month comes to £34.29, which isn't bad. Almost 3 times the full price box cost, and more than that for me, because obviously I got a discount, which is great. I found out some weird things though. This anatomical shower gel, you can't buy it from Anatomicals. It's not on their website, but it is on the Birchbox website. And it's not the normal size. It is like a travel size version, although it counts as a full size thing. It's kind of weird. The body cleansers on the normal Anatomicals website are bigger than this, so it feels like it's a special one-off for Birchbox, or a travel size one that they haven't brought up to their main website yet, which seems odd. Anyway, fine. Also, Coco and Eve was another bit of a weird one. On our leaflet it says it's full size at £9. Well, they do one this size, the 30ml, for £9.90, and that includes 2 hair ties, like, you know, the ones that are like plastic rings that aren't supposed to snag in your hair or leave crinkles in your hair, those ones. So yeah, it's a bit odd. That's what they call their travel size. So I don't know how this is £9 really. Is it that the 2 hair ties are only worth 90p? I don't know, but it's not full size. The full size one is like £35 and comes with a free hairbrush, detangling hairbrush. Is it a good box to celebrate love in all its forms? You can have a wash, you can have a moisturise, you can do your hair and then hopefully look good with your eyeshadow. So it does make sense for things to do with Valentine's Day. Does it get you feeling the love? Maybe a bit of self-love if showering makes you super happy. I can see it as a getting ready for a Valentine's Day date or whatever, that kind of thing. I've not had any of these products before, so that's 5 for 5. But the sizes, apart from the moisturiser, aren't bad. It's a pretty good box. I'm not feeling as excited as I was about Love Fantastic. Love Fantastic? Look Fantastic? What did you think of this month's box? Did it get you feeling the love? Do you think it was good value for money? Would you get it? Let me know all your thoughts down below. I love to read your comments. Thank you so much for watching and joining me on this Birchbox unboxing. And until you see me next time, I hope you have a lovely Valentine's Day or had a lovely Valentine's Day. Enjoy your weekend and take care of yourselves. Oh, and find something positive in every day. Bye guys.